On July 14, 2025, officers responded to a call of a disturbance at a water park where an intoxicated woman was refusing to leave. This police arrest highlights the challenges of dealing with individuals who are drunk in public.
Investigating a crime right now, okay? So I do need to speak to you. So do you have an ID on you? Huh?
You want to talk to me?
I would like to talk to you, absolutely.
Okay, talk to me.
Can you step outside the park to do so?
Can I put on my clothes?
Yeah, absolutely.
Why are you here?
So we got a call stating that when you checked in, you tried checking in with an ID, okay, instead of your season pass. So they had concerns that you're under the influence, okay?
I'm not.
And you can't be under the influence in this park, okay?
I'm here. Like, why are you here?
To talk to you.
To talk to me?
About the incident. We got called out on an
Why are you
investigation.
here?
We got called out on an investigation. So we're going to talk to you, okay?
So you're talking to me.
Okay. Do you have your ID on you by chance?
I have an ID.
Okay. Just whenever you get clothes on, I'd like to see that, please.
Yeah. Why are you here?
To investigate a crime right now.
Why are
okay?
you here?
To talk to
There's
you.
no crime. Why are you here?
So there is at the moment if you're intoxicated in this park, okay?
I'm not intoxicated.
Well,
Why are you
we're
here?
gonna figure that out.
Why are you
We're
here?
gonna figure that out.
You're gonna figure that out? I'm gonna show you where you're gonna figure that out.
What is
Why
that? Is
are
that
you
a
here?
threat?
Why are
Are
you
threatening
here?
me right now?
Why are you here?
To talk to you.
Nice bird.
So-
Why are you here?
So finish putting on your clothes, and then we're
I'm
going to
gonna
go.
put on my clothes, but
Okay.
why are you here?
And I already explained that to you.
Why are you here?
To-
Good?
Okay.
Why are you here?
And I'm just here to talk to you. Okay.
And you're talking? Why are you here, retarded?
Okay.
Why are you here?
Talk
And
to
I'm
you.
gonna go home now?
To talk to you. No, you're
I'm
not.
gonna
So
go
you're gonna
home
be
now.
detained, and
I'm
if you
gonna go
try-
home now.
And if you try and walk away,
And
you
if
try
I
to go
will
home, you're going to
walk
be placed
away.
in handcuffs, okay?
And if I will walk away,
So what is
look
going
at
on
how.
today? What's retarded?
And you're gonna walk away retarded.
So what's going on right now?
And you're not me.
I understand that.
No.
Okay.
No. And you understand that? No.
Okay.
No.
Do you know this lady right here?
I might. No.
I'm just asking.
Go away.
I'm just asking if you know her.
Make him go away.
Why does he need to go away? We're going to talk to you about what's going on, okay?
No.
Yes, we're going to talk about what's going on. Ma'am, do you know her?
Do you know me?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Please
That's all
go
that's
away.
Okay,
How do I
so-
make
so
you go away?
Do you have an ID on you?
I do have an ID.
Okay, can I see
You
that?
can see it. You can see it. How do I make you go away?
We're just here to talk
I
to you
have
right
an
now,
ID.
okay?
How do I make you go away? See, here's my ID. I'm sorry.
So how'd you get here? Did you walk here?
See, here's my ID. See, here's my ID.
That's your pass, right? We don't need that. We don't need
See,
that.
here's my ID. See?
Just come
Put
over
it
here.
back. Put it back. Put it back.
Come over here.
Put it
Corey.
back.
Corey.
Put
Corey.
it back.
Corey.
Put it back.
Corey.
Step back. I don't want that.
Corey.
Go sit down.
Put it back.
Corey.
back.
Corey.
Touch me again. Touch me again.
Put it back.
Go sit down.
Corey.
Now.
Corey.
Sit down.
Sit down. Come on. Sit down.
I will sit, but put
Sit
it back.
down.
Put it back.
Then we don't need that. That's your pass, okay?
Why isn't he putting it back?
He's just checking your information, okay?
Why isn't he putting it back?
He's
Why
just-
aren't you putting it back?
He's just checking your information.
Why aren't you putting it back?
Corey,
Why
talk
aren't you
to me.
putting it
Corey,
back?
talk
Why
to
aren't you
me.
putting it back? Why aren't you
Corey.
putting it back? Why aren't you 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 putting it back? Put it back.
Do you still live on Brunswick?
I do still live at 2. Now put it
Do
back.
you have someone that come pick you up?
I do, actually. Now put it back.
Okay, you need to call them right now. 'Cause
I'm
you're
not
already
calling
on-
them. Now put it back.
All right, go for your disorderly
right.
conduct.
Stand up. Stand up.
No.
Stand up.
No, you're
Stand
not
up.
gonna hurt me.
No one wants to hurt you, Corey, but you're on
Stand
this for
up.
disorderly
No,
intoxicated.
you're not gonna hurt me.
Come on.
All right, let's get up.
You're under arrest for disorderly and talk.
Corey, we're not doing this.
No, you're
Stand
not gonna
up.
hurt me.
Stand up.
No, you're not gonna kill me.
We're not killing you, Corey.
You're
Stand
not gonna
up.
kill me.
You've had too much to drink and you can barely stand.
I'm not drinking.
You have.
Stand up.
That's why
You
you
are
can barely
not
stand.
killing me.
No one's gonna kill
No one's gonna kill you. Come on, I'm not doing this.
How do I make
I'm not
you
doing
go
this. I'm not doing this. Get up.
You're not.
I'm not doing this. Get up.
Shut up.
Listen.
No.
Sit up.
No, wrong.
Sit up.
Pull.
Sit up.
Pull.
Sit up.
Pull.
Sit up.
Corey.
Corey, sit up. Come on.
Corey.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Corey, put your
Hands
hands
behind your back. Stop resisting.
Corey,
these,
how do we
Corey.
go home?
You own a little bit, but right
Corey, how do we go home?
now. All right. Put your hands up. Corey, stop.
Corey.
Corey, how do we go home?
All right, Corey. Sit up.
Corey.
Sit up, Corey.
Corey. Corey.
Sit up.
No. Corey. Corey. Mike.
Put your hands behind your back. Okay?
Corey, how do we go home?
Corey, stop.
Corey. 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 Corey.
Just get your hands.
Corey. 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 Do it. Corey. No. Corey. Corey. Grab my bag and don't forget it. Corey,
We
how
won't.
do we go home?
You'll go to jail. You're going to go to jail for 12 hours, and you'll go home.
Oh, you want me to sit up?
Sit up.
Oh, you want me to sit up? Wait a second while I put on my skirt. And grab my phone.
You want to put your slippers on? Put these on.
Are you gonna put your slippers
I
on?
don't have slippers on.
Oh, you have slippers on.
You can barely walk.
And you can barely walk. Now, Corey.
Get out of my face. Jesus.
Now, Corey. Corey. Now, Corey.
Stop.
Now, Corey. How do you get home? Now, show me how I get home.
Hold on. Sit down.
Yep.
Have a seat. All right.
Now,
I'm gonna
Corey.
see if they have a key. We can pull a cruiser up here.
You forgot my phone.
We'll get it.
Get it now.
We'll get it.
Get it
You
now.
don't order me to do anything, okay? Corey.
Now, Corey.
What's your problem? You need to stop.
Sit up.
Can you just stop?
You smell familiar. You smell familiar.
I appreciate it.
You smell familiar.
What's going on today with you? What's your name? Corey? What's going on today?
You smell familiar.
I got you.
You want to hold me?
No. I'm already holding you.
I know I watched you get dressed, but do you have anything to focus if you stab me, anything like that?
Corey.
Can I go home?
Corey, you're not going home. You're going to jail, okay? You are under arrest.
See how she's got a lot of papers and she won't take me home?
I get you. You're not going home. You're going to jail tonight.
See how she's got a lot of papers?
All right. Just try to be quiet for her, okay?
I'll try to be quiet.
You're
for her.
not
Will
trying.
you please
Be quiet.
touch me?
No. You put your foot
Will
in
you
the car.
please?
Put your foot in the car.
See how